This 2022 Palomino Columbus 388FK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Longmont, Colorado, 80504 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Longmont. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Palomino is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, slide-out, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front kitchen, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.